Hey guys, if you notice that your iPhone's consuming way too much data and you're not even using it, well, there's a fix for that. So right now, go right into your settings. Under your settings, let's just go into this option here, and then we're gonna go right into options. And right here, I want you guys to turn this on. So I have it turned on right now. Most of you have it turned off. So turn it on. Low data mode. This will fix your problems because it's doing a lot of stuff that I usually teach in other tutorials. So there's a lot of stuff happening in your phone, and even if this is not helping as much as you would like, this is the real tip. So under your settings, just go down and go into your social media or apps that for sure are taking up a lot of your data. So again, that's usually social media. So what we're gonna do is scroll down and just go into any social media or any apps really that use internet. For example, news, that takes internet. So right now you guys see this background app refresh. Most of you have it on, and that way it's gonna use up your data although you're not using any of it. So even if your phone is off, it's doing a background app refresh, so it's using your data to cycle through and updating the app and any news that it's getting in there. Same goes with Snapchat or any social media. So I really go down on social media because that's what usually it's refreshing all the time. So I would definitely turn that off, and that will fix your problem. Obviously, there's some apps that you may not even want to use your data because you don't have that much. Just turn it off right here, and that way those apps will only work once you're connected to Wi-Fi. So that should fix your problem. Anyways, that would be it for this video. It doesn't really matter which phone you guys have. Right now I'm showing you guys on this phone, but you guys could have an iPhone 11, 11 Pro, or this 11 Pro Max. It doesn't really matter. It could be an iPhone 8, 7, 6S. It's the same deal right here. That's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write it down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.